Today we'll be talking about building CRM reports using Atlas. If you were on the last webinar, you know that we kind of focused on the marketing manager and talked about goals and frustrations that they have. And today's webinar will be geared toward the marketing manager as well, really talking about specific reports that are going to help them do their jobs more efficiently. Let's take a look at one more report. This one we'll take a look at marketing campaigns. As a marketing manager, that's very important to understand the campaigns that you have going and what they're costing. So we'll go to Atlas, we'll go to New, and we'll start building our report just like we did in the previous example. It's going to be a list of campaigns. We click Next, getting the information out of CRM, we click Next, and we choose the table. So in this case, our table is going to be campaign. Choose campaign, we click Next, and then we indicate the fields. So we probably want a description. We probably also want the budget that's been allocated. Very important as a marketing manager to keep track of that. Also the total cost of the campaign. Choose that. And then lastly, we probably want a campaign code. Choose that as our last field, and we click Next, and then we indicate how we want to filter. So we probably want to filter just based on the campaigns that we own. So we want to go ahead and find owner. Well, actually we know that we can't get the owner from there. We actually need to go and find those table relationships, and we need to find that from owner campaigns. And we get our owner name there. So again, notice how quickly and easily it was to cross tables and get to the field that we needed. So we choose how we want to filter again, and we want this to be based on the campaigns that Paulette owns. So we're searching live CRM data, we find Paulette. And then we go ahead and insert and get our report. This will show us all the campaigns that Paulette is working on or that she owns, the budget that was allocated, the total cost, and of course the campaign code. Another thing we could do here is add a calculation. So maybe we want to know how much of the budget we've used. So we go ahead and we build our calculation. We say budget allocated. And then we say subtract out the total cost of the campaign. We save this, and then we update, and we'll now have another column. So this is important information for marketing managers saying we're $500 in the hole for this campaign. For conversion scans, we actually have $2,300 that we didn't use. So very useful information as a marketing manager to keep on top of the budget for these various campaigns.